my God, it's happening! Another swarm! Whoa! Wow!
Call Eitan, where's our video? Oh.
Where's Shayna? Wow, check it out!
I looked up, I saw hundreds and hundreds of
Wow, oh my goodness.
flies everywhere. And I said, swarm, swarm, swarm.
This is swarm number 5 for the season. We are being inundated with swarms. Wow.
Almost, bring out your phone. What is
Mommy's videoing. This is the first time we actually get to video it.
Yeah. You want a video? Because I want to take pictures.
This is not videoing?
Yeah, I think it is.
Just clouds. I mean, it's just a massive cloud.
Mommy,
And
you already missed the
now the bees are just starting to go in. But as they arrive, as more and more and more just arrive and pile in, it takes about 10 minutes for them all to get in here.
Mommy, I think we
Somebody get into the swarm.
Who wants to be in the cloud?
Mommy, I know that we missed a little of this one.
You missed a little.
Ow, so much bee stings. I'm getting so
It's hard to see all the quantity of bees that are just buzzing around, but it's all around. It's not just in front. It's just everywhere. I'm doing like full circle here, and it just, I mean, it's up, down, forward, back.
Mommy, you just moved it.
Just a full-on cloud of bees.
Oh, okay. Go back in the picture. You can see the clouds.
And as you can see, there are more and more just starting to congregate by the box.
Go in. I'll take a picture of you so you can see the clouds. Nanny, let me take a picture of you. See.
This is very exciting. This is the first time that we've been able to take pictures.
I heard the swarm and then I called everyone swarm.
Very, very exciting.
2-1.
And this is the first time Daci's ever been here for the swarm. All the other times we're on Shabbos that she just happened not to be here.
1 minute. So this is what you're making a very big...
Yes, this is what we make a very big deal out of, Daci.
This is a big swarm.
All right, I'm going to cut the video out because this just basically continues for the next 10 minutes where just more and more bees come and settle in to the box.
And the best part is you could just be here and they won't sting you. Because they're in the new home. So.
If everybody can be quiet for a second, and then maybe the audio can just hear the sound of the buzzing of the bees.
Abba.
And it's a loud.
Abba, hear very good because I heard buzzing so much.
It's a loud sound.
Okay, Donnie, be quiet. Mayan, be quiet.
And the most amazing thing is, you can actually stand in this cloud and they don't bother anybody. They're too busy going into their own home. And they're not looking for trouble. They're just piling in. Right now it's a little bit more of a pile up here. But within another moment or so, they're going to cover the whole box in an attempt to all squeeze their way in. And it's intense. It's exciting.
Hey,